want to go for a ride? I wish this thing had a flip throttle. I might have to fix one up for it. Go with proof meter's not working. Cable's probably no good. Needle's broke too. We'll have to see if we can glue something on for a needle. It's pretty quick. That was third in high gear. So what? Seventh? Let's see how low it'll go. We'll go first gear, low gear. That's pretty low. I like it. That's one of the main problems I have with the 8N is it's geared too high. All right, let's go back to high range, first gear. There, that's pretty good. Definitely, I've gotten spoiled with the flip throttle on the John Deere. Definitely would like to have a flip throttle on here. Hydraulics are working, but they're slow. Neutral, back to idle. Yeah, so either our pump is weak or, you know, maybe we've got an internal leak somewhere. Alright. It's good enough, just a quick little trip. I have checked it with a infrared thermometer and it's running about right. I kind of think the thermostat's out of it. I don't think they have a thermostat in it. So I think it's going to make a good tractor. Engine, transmission are in good shape. Oh, let's take a look. See if just put this on hand tight. See how this is doing. Yeah, it's getting there. So I think we're gonna let it stay for now, and then I'll run it again, get it mixed up again, and dump it again. So we'll get it all flushed out. And I don't know, I think this is lift, and I think up, I think this is down is lift and up is draft control, but I'm not positive on that. So I need to verify that. I wonder if this thing will work now. Nope. I greased it, but it's froze up. We'll let that grease stay in there a little while and we'll see if we can get it. We might need some heat to get that moving again. This. I like this system. I like it better than what's on the John Deere. I don't remember what's on the John Deere, but I like that. I think you got to turn. It may be a similar system on it. I don't remember. And then of course, this one's froze up as well. So, you know, this stuff's just been sitting. So, thanks for watching, and well, let's see. Did the tire stop in the spot where I can show you? Both tires are junk. This one is about scalped in one spot, which you can't see. It's not at that spot. This one right here. So junk tires. This one is on the bottom. So it definitely needs two front tires. So, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below and hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Thanks.